Oh, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dwayne. Oh yeah, just showing my 1998 Chevy. Oh yeah, right on the 20s. Not for sure what tires for real. But little update. That's a little update. Oh yeah. In the front, I do have a 2.5 11 kit. Yeah. Show the inside. Oh, that's a little dirty. Just a little dirty. Oh yeah. Mouse. I used plastic dip. Came out pretty good. Pretty good. A little rusty. A little rusty. Yeah, I'm gonna start making more truck videos. It's a 275 35 rear 20. I guess 35. Went mudding not so long ago. Oh yeah. Thinking about getting a 6-inch lift or a 4-inch. Yeah, I might get a 6-inch. You know, why not? Why not? I got a 350 in here, 5.7. You know. No rips. No rips. Oh yeah. Just got the rims and tires. Not me, got my supervisor who had my truck for a good minute, for probably a 1 month. Got these. And yes, I am taking them off. Why? Because they cost too much. Way more than my truck. Yeah, I refuse. Yes, they're brand new. Got that. Oh, look at my goldfish. I'll pop the hood for y'all. Oh yeah, looking for a new grill, headlights. I'm gonna put fog lights myself. Oh. There we go. Ah, it's dirty, but whatever. It's Vortex. Not lying. 5.7. You know, everything's stock to the bone. Stock. And yes, I did a color red. Came out pretty good. That's when I put it on. But everything's stock. Except spark plugs. I changed that myself. I think that's the only thing I changed. Spark plugs and wires. Not for sure what wires. This came stock wires. Oh yeah. Cleaning up the headlights more better. It's all yellow. I think I can still tell in the back of it. Yeah, pretty good. Oh yeah. Right now, I'm loving it. Loving the mud, loving all that. Thinking about blacking out all windows. What do y'all think about that? All windows. Not for sure what tint I have on right now, but oh yeah, I'm back with you. Just washed her up today. Right now, little rinse off, pressure wash. Look at them bad girls. Oh yeah. Nah. Nah. Pressure wash. No soap, no none of that. Just pressure wash.
You can tell that it's still dirty. But
At least I got the mud off.
at least I got the mud off.
Clean. Let me start it up for you.